Just trying to get everything situated. We can put these up for a minute because we don't need this back a little bit.
And you thought I was like trying to talk? No. To compare myself, saying come over here, to compare myself with my sister, I am short. I'm actually kind of tall, but just not that tall.
Okay. So, we should make the batter first. So, it calls for 1 cup of water. Actually, it's water, not milk. You want to put this up? Or do you think, can we exchange the water for milk? Let's just follow the instructions. Okay.
Yeah,
1 cup of water.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Okay, I'm going to add 1 cup of water.
Wait, I forgot. Wait, don't you make TikToks?
Yeah. Should we make a TikTok?
Yeah, I'm just wondering. So what's your TikTok's name?
Okay, we need 1 cup of water.
What's your TikTok's name?
Huh?
What's your TikTok's name?
Sonia Kanoni? Why?
Because I want to sponsor one of these videos. It's Sonia what?
Kanoni?
And also go check out my sister's TikTok channel, Sonia Kanoni.
Kanoni.
Kanoni. I kind of. You see what you mean.
Okay, we need 3 eggs. And we need 1/3 cup of oil. Wait, put that egg down. Maybe you can put the oil. Be careful. We need to fill this up. Not all the way to the top, but a lot. Just fill it up as good. You know?
Just tell me to stop.
Okay.
So I don't know what.
Stop. Good job. And then you're going to put it in the water.
So I just grab this and pour it in the water.
Good job. And then we're going to I'll crack 3 eggs. And then you remember how you mixed it last time?
Right.
Yeah, you're going to do that in here. We're going to do 3 eggs. 1.
I got the other one.
It's okay, let me do it.
Can I do the last one?
You can hit it, and then I can open it. Oh, shit.
That's good. And this is actually my first time actually making cupcakes, so...
Really? We haven't made cupcakes in a while?
No, only making
cake. We've made cake before.
I don't remember making cake.
We've made a cake before.
All I know is all I've been making is just Oreo cakes. Or emojis.
Then you want to mix it?
Yeah. Greasy.
Be careful with how you mix it too, okay?
Okay.
Don't make too cookies.
And my sister's also doing this on, I don't know. Is this good enough?
Keep mixing.
I'm not a pro mixing, so I'm mixing it like a normal person. My dad mostly mixes it like this, but I don't know how she does. I don't know how he does it. Wait, is Jaslyn my actual cousin, or is this Jaslyn's mom is friends with my mom?
Her mom is just friends with her. Like, we're not actually cousins.
And also my friend's slash cousin's dad, he used to make cooking videos, so I might probably want to check him out. I seen his plaques. He he forgot his channel name. But if you just look for someone like with a beard, let us know in the comments.
Okay. Can we switch? So I'm gonna take this, and then I need you to just you see like these little like thingies on the flower, whatever.
These
Yeah, you just need to kind of
mix them in.
yeah, just kind of break them apart. You see like that. You see, I'm doing it gently. It's like smashing it. That's the word, like that. You can do that, and then I'm gonna mix this.
But how about you hold the camera for this one? Like pointing at there. Like this?
I said smash, like that, yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna just bring it back down. It's so good. I want to eat it so bad.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like flour. I'm gonna keep posting like this, so don't worry. This is gonna be the first one. This is the first cooking video of my channel. And speaking of my channel, my old channel got 23 subscribers, and this channel got 17. Seriously, 2024 17, 2024 my old channel 23. Come on, guys, we gotta beat my old channel. Those scenes are my old channel is kind of like cringe. How do you say it?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this. Okay, while I pour this, you're gonna mix it.
Like this?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. You can see where the egg is. I'm gonna try mixing it around over here. This kind of starting to look like quicksand. I should start making videos with real cameras. I'll probably get that soon because I tried making it, and my dad's gonna see if he's gonna fix it or not. And my dad's a truck driver, and now he's leaving Monday, so it's gonna be tough on the weekend because he's not here. Just me and my sister. I think we just use the spatula over there.
Well, because the spatula is not gonna mix it. The spatula is just gonna like.
Good camera.
Also, it's the way you clean it. Hold this. Hold this.
And this is not a real camera. It's just like a tablet. I don't know how I made videos with this. I've been making tablets with my whole life. My whole career has been using tablets as a camera.
See, that's a little bit more clear. Okay.
Hey, what time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now you can grab the spatula.
Got the spatula.
Let me see.
Spatula knife. You might be wondering, where's my fake giraffes? Oh yeah, I'll go get him.
Look at her wrist. Look at that. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure he gets past his old channel. Let's get past 24 subscribers.
I'm back with the kind of the main character, and here's Gigi. Is this thing blinking? Here's Gigi, and here's Gigi's stepdad because his dad is from his real dad is from the military, and so he can't really see him that much. So he has to call him over to see his real dad, and his real dad is really strict, and so that's why he doesn't like calling him, and so You might see them around the place sometimes, and that's gonna be good. That's gonna be something great because I'm gonna put him right here next to the fryer.
So we need to take these.
And I'll put Gigi right here.
You can't put him right there because I need this. We need this space because you need to put these in here.
So put him on this. They're right there just looking at the air fryer.
Okay. So we're gonna grab these. And I know it's kind of hard to pick out every individual one, but try your best to grab
every individual one.
Yeah. Here you go. You gotta just pull them apart.
That's a lot. If you hear if you hear my type go like that, that means the video ends because I don't have that much storage. I started my old YouTube channel last year, I think. Because my old called and Kylo is actually really not that late. It was I made my videos those videos some of them were 7 months ago. Actually that was not really a long time ago. And this is kind of like a new year because I don't know. When did this year start?
In January.
So right now it's October, October, September, August, July, August. No. Yeah, I kind of forgot.
June,
then May, April, June, March.
Oh, you could have gone the other way, Jeffrey. You could have done January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Jeffrey.
Why can't I use this calendar? I cannot show that because it shows me. I couldn't just use this calendar.
Yeah. Okay.
We can't see that information. So
I'm glad you're aware of that.
January.
Okay. So now we're gonna take this, and we need to put this. I'm thinking we can just grab the tablespoon and just kind of fill it halfway. So you want to go like this.
So satisfying.
Yeah, and you want to just take your time with it.
Wait, could it be a little bit?
Not right now.
Yeah.
I would say just fill it about halfway.
3 scoops in one? 3 scoops in one?
Yeah, about 3 scoops. Try not to get it on the pan, because I really don't want to clean the pan. Oh, yeah.
That baby scoop.
No, not a baby spoon.
It's
Not that much. Okay. I'm gonna start the kitchen first. We're gonna put this right here. Hold on, Jeffrey. Hold on. Put it down. Okay, now you can grab it. We both can't do this. So why would you?
Is this slow?
Why would you flip it? You flipped it. Why would you go like grab it and then put it like this? Just grab it. Even if you go like this or something, and just put it like this. That's what I say. It's gonna be a lengthy process, but you'll get there. Does that make sense? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wish we had an ice cream scoop, but
We do.
maybe not the one I want. The pink one?
Yeah, we have the pink one.
The pink one is gonna take just as long. Are you done recording? Are you done recording?
Yeah. I kept. This is longer than the movie.